Hello and welcome to the show and another product review. As I've previously mentioned, any kitchen gadgets that might save me some time and effort, particularly in the week, I'm all over them. This is the Crimpit Toastie Maker, the sister of the very good Crimpit Wrap Sealer. Just in case you were wondering, this is the Crimpit Wrap Sealer, which I've previously reviewed here on the channel. If you want to check out that review, there's a link popping up on the screen now. My thoughts on this were very, very positive, so it's definitely worth checking out. So enough of that, we're here to review this. Well, here it is, and to be honest, there's not really much to it, just two pieces of moulded plastic, and it comes in at £15, not including delivery. It's down from £20, so 15 quid. I'm not sure really, if I'm honest. So it's really easy to use. You just plonk your bread on top, put your filling in, crimp down with the lid, remove your bread, and you can either pop it in an air fryer or the oven or a toaster, whichever you prefer. Today I'll be putting mine in the oven. But the question is this worth your hard-earned cash? Well, we're about to find out. Today I'll be cooking one of my favourite cheese and ham toasties, and we'll see how it goes. I've got the munchies, so let's waste no more time. Okay, let's hurry along and get this toasty made because I am starving Marvin. So I've got two pieces of white bread, a very thin covering of butter, and just a little bit of English mustard because I do like a bit of mustard on my cheese and ham toasty. So here is the Crimpit Wrap Maker. So plonk a little bit of bread, a piece of bread rather, on the bottom bit. Plonk your filling in the middle. Not really anything much to do or report on this other than just ram as much cheese in there as you possibly can get. It's not going to crimp the crusts, and I believe you can cut the crusts off, but I'm just going to leave them on and we'll see how it goes. Can't have enough cheese on your toasty. Just got a little bit of chopped ham, plonk away. Now, I didn't mention where you can get these from Crimpit's website, UK, crimpit.co.uk, or internationally, crimpit.com. There we go. Plonk that on like that. I think you just push down and crimp away. Don't think there's anything more to it than that. So it kind of seal the deal, and that's... So that is one oven ready, or air fryer ready, or toaster ready, crimped two pieces of bread. Now, from previous experience with the Crimpit Wrap Sealer, I've not had much joy putting it in the air fryer. It kind of opens it up. I have much more success using the oven, so that's exactly what I'm going to do with this. Into a tray, and 200 degrees, my oven is set up. I'm just going to pop this in for about 5 minutes until it's well browned off. Here is the end result. It seems to have held together well. The crusts on the edges are trying to pull away. Let's do a little bit of a volume up scrape test. Sounded pretty good, so let's just go down and cut this. Just before I do, in the comments, rectangles or triangles, what do you prefer? Let me know. And there we have a Crimpit cheese and ham with the crusts falling away toasty, looking pretty good. Of course, it would be rude not to have a little bit of a sample bite. Delish. Will I get some use from this toasty maker? Well, I guess so, but I don't think I'll use it anywhere near as often as I do the Crimpit Wrap Sealer. At the time of filming this video, we are on the run up to Christmas. Are you thinking of buying this as a stocking filler? If you do, I'm sure it will be well received. Now finally, I actually think that this does what it states on the tin. So if you think you'll get some use out of this, then go ahead and buy one. Do you already own one of these? If so, what do you think of it? Let me know in the comments. Thanks very much for watching today's video. If you get a minute, just click that like button, and even better, if you haven't already, subscribe and help me reach 10,000 subscribers. Cheers.